This is not one of those videos where we tell you to look both ways and cross the street. The truth is, crossing the street is more complicated. Let's start at the beginning. A crosswalk is just paint on the ground. This paint does not create an invisible force field to protect you. It is just paint. If a driver does not see the crosswalk paint and does not see you, then something bad can happen. So, if you need to cross at a crosswalk, you need to somehow tell the driver. But how? To communicate with the driver, you need to do these three things. First, if there is a button to turn on a flashing beacon, go ahead and press it. Second, raise your arm in the air, sort of like you are waving to a friend. If no cars are coming, then you can walk across. But if a car is coming, then look directly at the driver. They may be hard to see through the windshield from far away, but as they get closer, you will be able to see their face. If the driver slows down and then stops their car and looks at you in the eyes and moves their hand sort of like this, then that is their way of telling you that they are letting you cross the street. But before crossing, make sure that there are no other cars driving up fast behind the stopped car. Notice that red car? The driver doesn't realize why the blue car is stopped and doesn't see the person on the sidewalk because the blue car is blocking their view. The red car is making a bad driving mistake and is going to try to pass the blue car. You do not want to be in the middle of the road when this happens. The red car stopped just in time. That was close, but here comes a car from the other side. The driver is slowing down. They see you. It is now safe to cross. Okay, let's review what we learned. First of all, a crosswalk is just paint. Second, let drivers know you want to cross by pressing the crosswalk signal, and then communicate with your eyes and with your arm. Third, before crossing, make sure all the cars see you. If pedestrians and drivers communicate with each other better, then our roads will be safer for everyone.